closer. Okay, blew that shift. Shift 2. I gotta go here. Woo, this stuff's getting shut down. Oh, that's because I want to go down this one. Oh, I could have gone down that. Okay, good to know. Sun's getting brutal. Okay, we can go that way. Yep. I like this way better. Sure, I ride like that. No. Ooh, I like this side right here. Woo! Woo, this is getting deep. Oh, turn. Oh, crap. Not bad. Got through it. Where are we going? Okay. I don't know. That was interesting. Woo! Turn. A little bit. I don't even remember that. Woo! Everybody okay? Woohoo! Yikes! Woo, rocks. Woo. All right. You're okay. Nice and easy. Okay, there we go. All right. You know what? Take that right there. Get my butt. Okay. You're all right. Nice and easy. There you go. Whew. All right, we're doing okay. That little dink right there. All right, you're okay. All right. Yeah, good job, LJ. Good. Woo! Sorry. That was ugly, but I did it. Now focus. We still got some work to do. Come on. There you go. Get through it. Atta girl. Good job, Sammy. Focus. Be humble. Focus. Humble. Knees tight. Sun's making it hard. Come on. Keep it going. There you go. Atta girl. Good job, Sammy. Come on. Let's do this. Woo! Okay. Woo. Yeah, I know, Sammy, but... I will move when I can see where I'm moving. Oh, you got two cheeses. How was that? Was that better? Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey. The sun is brutal. It's coming down, okay? The sun is coming down, so be careful with that. And it's dark in the woods a little bit. Oh, Tag, you're it. Watch the puppy. Get the puppy. Much cleaner that time. Much happier. Hey? Much better this time.